A shared user on Ring is someone you grant access to your Ring devices, like doorbells and cameras. This allows them to view live feeds, receive notifications, and control devices based on the permissions you set. It's ideal for family, neighbors, or trusted individuals. Sharing is done primarily via email invitations. When inviting a shared user on Ring, you have complete control over their access levels. These permissions determine what they can do with your devices, ensuring security and privacy. The view-only permission allows shared users to watch live video and access recorded footage from your Ring devices. They cannot control or change any settings. With control permission, shared users can actively manage your Ring devices. This includes arming or disarming cameras, answering doorbell calls, and modifying settings. You can further customize access by limiting shared users to specific devices. For example, grant access only to your front door camera while keeping other Ring products private. This table shows different access levels for various user roles, helping you understand how permissions work across Ring's system. These checkmark icons represent different actions that can be granted through permissions, like viewing, controlling, or accepting access. The Ring app shows permission settings on your phone, allowing you to control what shared users can access, such as notifications and location. To invite a shared user on Ring, start by opening the Ring app. Navigate to the Users or Family and Friends section in the app. Tap Add User and enter the recipient's email address. Select the devices you want to share and set the desired permissions. Tap Send Invitation to complete the process. The recipient will receive an email with instructions to accept the invitation. When you receive an email from Ring about a shared user invitation, open it to begin the process. Click the acceptance link in the email to proceed. If you don't have the Ring app installed, you'll be prompted to download it from the App Store. Open the app and create a new Ring account or log in to your existing one. Once logged in, accept the shared user invitation in the app. The shared devices will now appear in your Ring app, ready for you to use. Security is paramount when sharing Ring device access. Ring employs end-to-end encryption to protect video feeds, ensuring your footage remains private. Two-factor authentication is required for accounts and strongly recommended for both main and shared user accounts to prevent unauthorized access. The multi-factor authentication process, shown here, allows up to 3 attempts for verification methods like biometrics or OTP. Shared users inherit security settings but cannot access billing information or remove the main account owner. To maintain security, always enable 2FA and regularly review and update shared user permissions to ensure only authorized access. Recent updates have enhanced privacy controls, including mandatory privacy notices for invitees and temporary access modes that expire shares after a set time. Shared users can also receive voice alerts via linked Amazon Echo devices, making it easier to stay informed. If the invitee doesn't receive the email invitation, first check their spam folder. Ensure the email address entered is correct and matches the invitee's account. If they have trouble accepting the invitation, make sure they're using the latest version of the Ring app. If problems continue, contact Ring support for help. Looking ahead, Ring is integrating more artificial intelligence into shared access features. Facial recognition technology will grant temporary access to recognized individuals, making sharing more seamless while maintaining security. AI assistants will automatically manage permissions based on user behavior patterns. For enhanced security, Ring is exploring decentralized access controls similar to blockchain technology. This will provide stronger protection against breaches while keeping data sharing private. The platform is also expanding to work with non-Amazon ecosystems through standards like Matter. The trend is toward more multi-user smart homes, with increased focus on family and community sharing. Expect more collaboration features, better tools for managing multiple users, and broader compatibility with smart home standards.